Starbucks Korea's Tank Day controversy. Why May 18th is not just another date. On May 18th, 2026, Starbucks Korea faced a major public backlash after launching a promotional campaign called Tank Day for its tumbler products. The problem was not simply the word tank. The date, May 18th, is one of the most painful and significant days in modern Korean history. May 18th marks the anniversary of the Gwangju Democratization Movement of 1980, when citizens in Gwangju stood against martial law and military dictatorship. The uprising was violently suppressed by government forces, and it remains a deeply emotional symbol of democracy, sacrifice, and historical trauma in South Korea. The Starbucks Korea campaign also included wording that many people connected to another dark moment in Korean history, the 1987 torture death of student activist Park Jong-chul. As criticism spread, Starbucks Korea withdrew the campaign and apologized. Shinsegae Group Chairman Chung Yong-jin also issued a public apology, and the head of Starbucks Korea was dismissed following the controversy. The reaction was strong because people did not see this as a simple mistake. They saw it as a failure to respect the memory of victims, families, and citizens who fought for democracy. In Korea, public memory is not abstract. It is connected to real families, real cities, and real pain. The controversy did not remain only inside South Korea. According to Reuters, Starbucks Global also issued a statement after the backlash. The company apologized to the people of Gwangju, to those affected by the tragedy, and to its customers and communities. Starbucks Global also said that leadership accountability actions had been taken and that a thorough investigation was underway. The company added that it would strengthen internal controls, review standards, and company-wide training to prevent something like this from happening again. This shows how serious the controversy had become. It was no longer just a local marketing failure. It became a global brand crisis involving history, public memory, and corporate responsibility. For many Koreans, the question was not simply, who approved this campaign? The deeper question was, how could a company operating in Korea fail to understand the meaning of May 18th? The controversy also drew a strong reaction from President Lee Jae-myung. On May 18th, President Lee criticized the Starbucks Korea campaign in a post on X. He described the 5/18 Tank Day event as an insult to the victims of Gwangju and to the citizens who fought for democracy. He also said that such behavior denied the values of the Korean community, basic human rights, and democracy. President Lee argued that the company should face moral, administrative, legal, and political responsibility. He also asked whether Starbucks had apologized to the victims and bereaved families of May 18th. His response shows how serious this controversy became. It was not treated as a simple advertising mistake. It became a national issue about historical memory, democratic values, and corporate responsibility.